just working on these. Got both of these recapped up, and they kind of look the same, and but they're a little different. They both have the EPT 3614 Bravo board, which isn't a lot. Oh, it's January 5th, so yeah, it's 5 days past New Year. So I think this is the first video. Anyway, these are both Ranger radios. This is a Northstar version, and this is the Galaxy 88. We talked about this before. Got everything back on it. I got to get the shields back on this one. And yeah, they're both 14 Bravo boards. This one's more put together. I always get this Northstar taken care of first, but well, you'll see this frequency counter is right against that Echo board. Look how big that damn thing is. Now, of course, they got totally small and very, very intricate into the actual main boards on most radios, but this is also came out around the same time, so you can see the total difference in the frequency counter. But yeah, this is RCI all the way, and I think they may have contracted someone else for this and the Echo board. I didn't find anything on the Echo side of it. They have different part numbers, but I'll look up some schematics and get back on that. But yeah, this one has a talkback switch in it, just like this one does as well. Got to add that back in with the Echo board. The Echo board's actually kind of small. That's similar. Oh yeah, the frequency counter sticking to some parts. But even this is, see, it says a DX88, and this is the EPT, so that's for that. But I think it's still different, because this one here, it doesn't have that. It just has like a 9506, and this one here is a 9003. But yeah, this is the Northstar version of it here. Yeah, even within days of this coming out, or they just cheaped out on the frequency counter, even though it has similar module plugins, I'd rather have this than this just wrapping up against the Echo and just causing issues with these boards. But yeah, I can't find schematics on any of the Northstar parts, and it's an EPT 3600, so it's similar, unless they just did some knockoffs. It also has this extra board right here, which is the IC chip. That is just that chip right there is a whole board in this one, with a wire going all the way over underneath here. So very interesting. Oh, excuse me. All out of focus. Hey, we start 2023 out the same way we ended it, I guess. But yeah, at least we're gonna go through it. This one's in really good shape. This one is in great shape. They're both great for AM. I don't know about for sideband, but definitely AM. These are great radios. But yeah, I got to put all this back together in the Galaxy version here, which this one is just crazy with the amount of stuff in it. But yeah, the Northstar 88. I'm gonna put the covers on this thing here and put it on the air. See what's going on this thing. Man, oh man. Just want to also go over, you need the talkback switch, and this is not to turn it on, this is to turn it off. If you use Echo, talkback is always enabled, so you need a switch to turn it off. They change that in the later versions, and yes, these will be for sale.